What is this? And ojeras al 100. Yes. Hello. Today I am working on this piece for Danny and Anna. I'm really excited. I love it. So what I'm gonna do is, Danny brought this frame over, this mirror, and he said if I could just, you know, spruce it up a little bit on the side. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna probably like hit it up with some paint, some gold paint, just to make it pop more, and then maybe like add a little bit of a darker tone. But yeah, I'm so excited. It's gonna look nice. I'm just gonna work on it just to hit up like the inside as well. Maybe hit it with gold, and maybe like, I don't know, we'll see what I have to work with. Oh, I have the invitation right here. Yeah, so it's gonna be their welcome sign. I'm planning to do white lettering, some leaves and florals around, and then the wording in the middle. It's a really nice mirror, but it does have it has character, let's just say that. So we're gonna just make it even prettier. Okay, so I was hitting it with the gold, straight on gold, but then I decided to add the dark brown. It's looking like a dark gold, but it's actually a dark brown. It's called chocolate sprinkles, funny enough. But so I'm just hitting like the little dark places. You see how gold it is? I just want more depth into this, so I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna go over it with the gold again, and it's gonna pop. It's gonna look so nice. So I'm excited. So I'm just going quick since I already went with the gold over it once. It's okay, like I've already covered a lot of the hard places, but it's gonna look so good. Like you see this, it looks, oh, I've already done the top, but this right here, it looks kind of like a metal, not a metal, like maybe like a plastic, but it's not. So once I go in with the brown for the dark, and then I'm gonna go over it with the gold. So this is what it's looking like. It's like 3 shades darker in person though, like really dark. Kind of like that dark actually. Yeah. Like in real life, it looks a lot better. Try to record well the process. So you just have to go very lightly. I don't know why this lighting is like this, but so it's kind of like you just work on it, but it's kind of like very lightly fast, so it doesn't get any crazy like that. So just kind of work it in there, work it in there. Like I said, this lighting is not the best, but it's looking good. So this is how we're doing. Now I gotta erase the writing and actually go over it with real paint. That's just a chalk marker just to kind of block where it's gonna go to get an idea of what it's gonna look like. And then I think I'm gonna add a little bit of gold, maybe just like gold dots or something, or gold accent somewhere. Okay, so I think we did it. I had to put it on the floor so that I could paint the lettering so it wouldn't run down. Let's see. I like it. I approve. So yeah, this is cute. Now I just gotta send the picture to Danny and see what he thinks. They also requested for me to paint their cake stand. So I added florals and their name on the side and their wedding date on the opposite. So excuse the hair, I just took a shower. So this is a few days later. I just wanted to show y'all. Look at my arm, it's so like double jointed, I guess, if that's what it's called. I don't know. Anyways, so because I'm about to turn this in a few days, just wanted to show y'all cómo quedó. I'm very happy with I guess you can call it restoration of the frame. And then we also have the cake box, so I'll show y'all. Okay, so aquí está la caja, nomás me falta ponerle un poquito más blanco en algunas partes, pero esos pues ya se lo voy a poner cuando le ponga los nombres y todo eso.